Right. Hi, Suhail.
Hi.
We are here with Umumba CEO ahead of the auction, and we are going to take a sneak peek into his brain and what he's thinking.
Not too much of a peek.
Yes. Right. So starting off, Suhail, what are your thoughts on the retentions? We've had quite a few young players also coming in.
Yeah, I think everyone knew where the retentions were kind of going to be. Unfortunately, हमारे लिए एक थोड़ा सा एक झटका भी लगा है लीग की तरफ से, and we won't go into details of what that is. Hopefully, it'll get solved by the time the auction starts, and that's a little bit of a problem that we saw, and I think we have a solve for it, so it's not a problem. But unfortunately, things should not have happened so last minute, and again, I'll leave it there and I won't go into details. But on the retentions, I think हमारे लिए बहुत clear था जो performance दिया पिछली बार. Those are the guys that we wanted to back. We've added some very exciting NYPs. Ajit Chawan as a left raider. We've got Lokesh on the left corner. Deepak Kundu, fantastic left corner. And obviously, when you look at the ability of the corners and covers working together, Sunny, left cover, fantastic boy. I think we had issues with our covers last time around. And I think therefore the retention wasn't there in the form of Surinder and Mahender. Who knows whether we'll get them back or not. That is for the auction to unfold. We have others that are in the mix, obviously. But I think the retentions were very solid. Zafar was someone that came in, delivered what we wanted from him. I think with Guman, I think I've talked about it. I think at the price that he would go in with, and also with other variables, unfortunately, when it comes to the pricing of these players, what he was expecting versus what we thought, given we've had injury concerns with his and the scans and the knee surgery, not the knee surgery, but the knee injuries, we didn't think that it is worth that price margin. So we were very realistic about that, and so we had to let him go, and we're okay with that. I think इस बार बहुत options है auction में, तो थोड़ा exciting भी है. It'll be a little bit of a bloodbath. बहुत सारे options है, बहुत सारे teams को players भी चाहिए होंगे. So I think it's going to be exciting, but from a retention perspective, we're very happy with the way we are, क्योंकि जो पिछली बार NYPs था, इस बार वो दूसरे सीजन खेल रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस भी आ चुके हैं. सोमबीर, गोकुल, मुकिलन, ये तीनों को स्पेशली बहुत मैच टाइम भी मिले हैं, एंड देव बीन प्लेइंग अ लॉट ऑफ अदर कबड्डी, तो वो सॉलिड रह सकते हैं इस बार भी. सो या वी आर ओके विद आवर रिटेंशंस, आई थिंक ओवरऑल.
And talking about the coaching staff, Anil Chaprana is back. Ghulam Reza, what are the conversations like with them ahead of the auction?
I think both very good coaches, strong people. Obviously, Chaprana sir comes from a Navy, Army background, so, there's a very strict discipline side to him. लेकिन वो बहुत soft है as a person. उनके पास success भी है. When you look at what he did with Patna Pirates last season, बहुत respected coach है वो. Same with Ghulam Reza. I think जो दोनों के जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, दोनों के जो माइंडसेट है, जब भी हम ट्रायल्स रख रहे थे एंड हम कोई भी प्लेयर को देख रहे थे, तो दोनों के पास सेम प्लेयर का मतलब माइंड में सेम विजन था, तो एटलीस्ट फॉर अस वो एक सिंक आ चुके हैं. एंड आई थिंक बोथ आर यंग कोचेस इन दैट सेंस, राइट, यंग इन माइंडसेट, तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड आई थिंक होपफुली इट विल बी अ ग्रेट कॉम्बिनेशन गोइंग फॉरवर्ड.
And what can we expect from you, Mumbai, at the auction? Something different this time in store?
You can expect silence at this point because I think, like I said, इस बार बहुत सारे options हैं. From A category all the way to D category, बहुत talent है. And I think वो एक चीज़ है कि experience talent from A to D है. तो अगर एक प्लेयर को नहीं मिला तो B में भी मिल सकते हैं, C में भी मिल सकते हैं, D में भी मिल सकते हैं. सिर्फ एक चीज़ मैं कहूँगा कि I know fans को सारे players चाहिए. फैंस को एक पवन, मनिंदर, सुनील, प्रदीप, गुमान, ये वो सारे प्लेयर चाहिए, लेकिन जो पर्स है उस पर्स के अंदर ही हम बैठना पड़ेगा, काम करना पड़ेगा. तो जब भी एक बड़े प्लेयर मिल जाए या एक एक्सपेंसिव प्लेयर मिल जाते हैं, तो एक वैक्यूम भी हो जाता है. तो सारे प्लेयर, सारे बैलेंस मिलना एट द टॉप लेवल मुश्किल है. But I think you have to look at a player's capabilities, you have to look at player's potential, experience. ये सारी चीज़ जो है, you have to find it from different categories, क्योंकि सारे player A या B या C से नहीं मिल सकते हैं. And I think that's something that everyone needs to understand कि auction क्या है, पर्स क्यों है, कितना है पैसा. And at the end of the day 12 टीम है. अगर 12 टीमों में पैसा है सबके पास, तो it gets tricky, dynamic, but वही excitement है. I'm looking forward to it. I think it's very exciting. हम बहुत पॉजिटिव है. हमारे प्लानिंग प्रोसेस जो था बहुत अच्छा गया. सो ऑल वी कैन डू नाउ इज control the controllables. वो controllables जो है हमारा planning. Let's go forward. That's it.
And aside from being a CEO, how excited are you for the auction as a fan?
Yeah, very excited. I think the auctions are look twofold. Auctions are very exciting, लेकिन I think थोड़ा ये भी है कि I would love to see something change in the future. Maybe a draft system, क्योंकि जब एक प्लेयर को हम मिल जाते हैं तो अगले सीजन वापस ऑक्शन में डालना पड़ेगा. तो दिस आई थिंक इज अ बिट ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर ऑल द टीम्स, ऑल द फैंस. तो फैन पर्सपेक्टिव से मुझे यही चाहिए कि 2-3 सीजन के लिए एक प्लेयर चाहिए बस. फिर हम उन प्लेयर को भी काम करवा सकते हैं. वी कैन वर्क ऑन हिम, वी कैन वर्क ऑन द प्लेयर्स, वी कैन वर्क ऑन द फैन लॉयल्टी. क्योंकि जब एक प्लेयर एक टीम के साथ काम करते हैं फिर दूसरे सीजन में दूसरी टीम में जाते हैं तो एक फैन को भी कंफ्यूजन हो जाते हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट्स समथिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक टू सी इज अ बिट मोर लॉन्ग टर्म लॉन्जेविटी ऑफ अ प्लेयर, ताकि हमें भी हमारे रिसोर्सेज उनके साथ हम डाल सकते हैं और वो भी वापस फेथ लॉयल्टी दे सकते हैं. तो एज अ फैन दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we have our fingers crossed for the auction.
Send us all your wishes, all your love, all your prayers. I think all of us, that's all we can ask for. And have faith, have positivity, and may all the teams try and find a bit of success and find what they want. That's all I can say.